Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be painting this romantic sunset using gouache paint. And all the supplies that you need is listed in the description below. I'll start with spraying some water in my jelly gouache as it's little dried right now. And then I'm applying masking tape in my painting. It's an optional step. If you like your painting without masking tape, feel free to skip this step. So I'm starting my painting by mixing rose and black, and I'll start with the darkest tone and eventually I'll make it a little lighter. And at this point I'm switching to rose color and I'm working while the paint is still wet. And I started ocean with ultramarine blue, and then I realized it will be better if I use little light color on top, and eventually I move to the dark tone. Also, you don't need to wait till the below layer is dried. You can start working on as soon as you realize you need to switch color. After completing the ocean, I'm trying to cover sunset with one more layer of gouache paint as I realized I want to change colors a little bit. Also note that my previous layer is completely dry. That's why I'm starting with all the colors from the beginning so I can make sure to merge it properly. Once your painting is completely dry, you may proceed with drawing this using the pencil. Also try to see if you can limit the use of the eraser, as if you are using eraser multiple times, it may affect your paper. And I'm trying to fill this with pure black color using the brush. If you are not comfortable with brush, you can switch to gel pen right now. To paint the palm tree, I just switched to the gel pen. For the final and most important part of the painting, I'm switching to white jelly roll. If you don't have white pen, you may continue using the brush with white gouache. I am adding lemon yellow color in the string lights. This is also an optional step, and feel free to keep the string lights white if you like that more. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you make this painting, please tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your creations. And at last, if you have any feedback, please add that in the comment section below.